can see beauty in a lot of things. I romanticize the smallest moments. I try to make it all mean something. I see beauty in the sky, the land, and the seas. I see beauty in him, in her, in you, even in the feared ones. Moths, crows, spiders. So if I see beauty in everything, why is it so hard to just find it in the mirror?